Hare Krishna. My name is Sri Chaitanya Chandra Das. Today I am going to tell how I came to Krishna consciousness. It is a true story, a short story. Please watch the whole video, and if you like, you can share and subscribe. Thank you. So how I came to Krishna consciousness? Long back in 2002, when I was studying in MIT College, Kothur, I was doing my engineering. And in my engineering days, I was staying nearby to MIT College in Kothur at a friend's house as paying guest. So one evening, I was going on the road for evening walk. I was just strolling on the street, and I was having some thoughts about how this universe came about. What is the purpose of life? Who is God? Who am I really? Why I am suffering? Why there is so much suffering in my life? I was pondering over all these thoughts. And when I was walking along the road, I saw a big sound, a crashing sound, accident sound. And I saw just nearby there was an accident. I went nearby. There was a huge crowd gathered. And when I went and saw inside what is happening, there were two young girls. They were lying on the ground in a pool of blood. They were driving on a scooty and they had crashed with another vehicle and they had fell down and the vehicle had left. And now their scooty was lying there and they were lying in a pool of blood. One of them was conscious, another one was unconscious. So these two sisters were there. And then others were thinking what to do, and they were trying to stop some auto to take them to the hospital, but no auto was stopping, seeing the serious condition. And then somehow or the other they stopped one auto wala and said, "Please stop, there is an emergency." And they took that one girl who was lying unconscious in the auto. And then the second girl, she sat in the auto. And they were thinking whom to send with them now, because nobody is ready to take the risk. There is a risk now, what can happen? It's a serious accident. So then they saw me, a young boy here, he is just strolling here, he is just here. So they said, "You go." I said, "No, I cannot go." But then I was thinking, should I or shouldn't I? So some voice from within said to me, "Please go." And then I said, "Okay, I will go." And then they said, "Okay, sit." And then I sat there, and the auto wala started. He was also very afraid. And so nearby there was one hospital. And then I was sitting there, and the another girl was crying. And the girl which was unconscious, her head was on my lap. And her head was bleeding, and so much blood was coming from her head and soaking my trousers. And I was also terrified. My God, what to do? And somehow I was just telling her that don't worry, everything will be fine, don't worry like that. And I was very afraid. They were also afraid. The driver was afraid, and we don't know what to do, what will happen next. And somehow we reached the hospital, nearby hospital, and the name of the hospital was Krishna Hospital. And then I went inside, ran inside and told that there is an emergency, there was an accident, please come. And then the staff came with a stretcher, and they came, they picked the girl from the auto, they put on the stretcher and they went inside. And they took her to the emergency ward. And then I asked her sister to give the number of her parents. And then they gave the number, I took the number and called. Her mother first picked up the phone. Then I said, "Please give to your husband." And then he picked up, he talked, and then I told the whole incident, what has happened. Your daughters are in hospital in a serious condition, please come quickly. And then of course the Krishna Hospital was nearby, so they came, and I left before that. I said, later I will come, now your father is coming. So then I left, and then 1 week passed almost. I was thinking what must have happened. And then later, after a week or so, I called on that number because I had that number. And then I asked, that same man picked up the phone, and I asked, I am that same person I called long back, 1 week back when your daughters had accident. So now how are they? So he thanked me a lot on the phone, and he said, we are searching for you. We are so grateful. Now both of my daughters are at home, they are safe. Can you please come to our house? And I said, okay, sure, why not? And then he gave the address, and later I went to that address, to their home, and I saw these two sisters were sitting very hale and healthy. And then I realized that they were twin sisters. And then I asked what exactly happened that time, how this accident happened, and they said, we don't remember anything. We don't remember anything. We just remember that we are in the hospital, and later our father came, and that's all. They didn't remember how it actually happened. They lost the memory. So anyways, we had talk, and they thanked me so much and like that. And then later, as a gift, as a token of gratitude, they gave me one book, and that was this Bhagavad Gita as it is. And I just saw that Bhagavad Gita, and they thought they also had got a gift from somebody, and it was just new lying like that, and they just packed it and gave to me. And when I saw that Bhagavad Gita later, when I opened it, I saw, wow, wonderful Bhagavad Gita, but I didn't have so much interest. But later when I started reading, I got so much interested, and then later the philosophy convinced me, and I was so much touched. And then later I went to the address, on ISKCON's address, and I went to the ISKCON temple, and there I saw such nice wonderful devotees, and then I came in touch with devotees, and that's how my bhakti started. And slowly I started going to the temple, and later I became a fixed-up devotee, and later I joined temple. Later in 2007 I joined temple. So then I just became brahmachari in ISKCON temple, ISKCON Pune. So then later I was thinking that these girls, when they met with an accident, I admitted them into Krishna hospital, and they admitted me into Krishna temple. What an amazing coincidence! And thus I landed into ISKCON temple, and I joined by reading that Bhagavad Gita which was gifted by them. So I am grateful to them. Because of them I am here in Krishna consciousness. That is a small story how I came to Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.